Hello guys, I'll show you something new, Huawei P50 Pocket. So features, first of all, we are going Huawei P50 features and elegance in the palm of your hand and shine white like a diamond with a turtly premium shimmer on micro glass thanks to this 3D micro structure design. You can feel the art of light in your pen. So golden combination of the Huawei uh, golden combination Huawei P50 education in collaboration with Haute Couture design. Its Van Harpen features amazing styles, organically following pattern in standing gold. The bring and eliminate of organic kinetic life to cutting edge technology that movies. So let's go flexibility in shaped and performance. So unavailable view. Uh, so this is a view of this phone and the 21.9 Reto board 6.9-inch main screen provide 120 Hz. The P3 wide range commits 1 billion colors for automatic and pictures eliminate revealing rays and nano optical layers. The 1440 Hz high high frequency control change how you see the world. A new ultra Spectate image transaction, chroma image engine, and visibility to light bring out natural details and vivid colors for realistic and incredible photography. Super Portrait Super Pro, and this is the some pictures of show what color can do. The True Chroma image engine and Pro's True Color display bring the subtitle charts and disturbance of colors to life. Uh, so capture qualities, texture, and amazing details in super close 2.5 cm micro shots. Manually, the unaccepted surprises capture the beauty in the dark low lights. Conditions are never a dark topic. Eliminate the visibility, sharpness, any shoot with ultra spectate camera mixture. So this is some pictures in the cameras and all your need formats. So this is the main format up to cameras. So let's start and automatically a ultimate. So uh, let's go away in the sharpness and smaller just board better for 100 mAh. So fold and further production, your privacy matters. Enable super privacy model mode, your wide camera and GPS. The Huawei P50 Pocket in folded, safe access, fold on open, passcode are out of face cam, scan, unlock, side fingerprint, unlock, get to your into Huawei P50 Pocket with just a glass of touch. for fast conversation entries. No matter if the open hold. Please wait. I'll check my uh, small channel. Uh, so this is in progress in what rounded to corner design, display design, length, extra screen 6.9 inches when merged, the standard rentable actual visible mirror different on display across the screens 120 Hz screen. So, accessory, the 120 Hz screen refresh rate is available to dedicated app and accessories 1440 HZ frequency PWM dimming is available decided to Huawei P50. Thank you for watching this video.